Hey everybody, this is Shivendu here. I'm back with another video, and today we will talk about how to install software heritage and how to set up the whole code base. So first you will have to search for software heritage docs. Click the first link, then choose developer setup. Okay, so first of all we need to install some libraries. So for that we'll take this, copy this one, and then I made a repository here, and let us install. Okay, okay, so we are done. Then after that, and this part is not necessary, it's this part is up to you that you want to do this or not. Just copy this and run if you want. Like, this is just for the sake of saving some RAM. Then use git clone this command. Okay, okay, so in my case this I have already cloned SWH environment, that's why I'm getting this error, but in your case you will be having your software heritage repository cloned. So let us get inside this SWH environment. Okay, so we are inside this. Okay, so now you have done cd SWH environment. Now let us do this one. Okay, okay, so in my case this one failed because I already have SWH installed. And then okay, pip install pre-commit. Okay, then we will have to update. So basically this pre-commit is a library which executes some other commands before you commit your changes. Then we will do /bin/update. This will update all the repositories inside software heritage environment. So basically we have SWH web indexer, SWH scanner. So this it will update all of these files. So you can see it has started. So it is updating SWH dataset right now, and now SWH views graph. So you can see it is updating everything. Okay, so it will take some time in your case because I have already installed, like cloned everything here. That's why in my case it's very fast. It might take some time in your case. Okay, yes, so now there's one thing which is important, which is work on SWH. This command you should be just able to put here and work on SWH. It will take you to SWH directory directly. You can see just now my directory was just tilde. Basically I was at my home directory, and now I am inside SWH environment after running this work on SWH command. Okay, so after this so we will have to install everything, whatever the dependencies are. So let us install bin/install. Okay, so again in my case I have everything installed, and that's why I don't need to do all this, but in case it will take some time and you will have to get it installed. Okay, okay, in case you feel you get any kind of errors, you will have to use this command. just add this flag here, use deprecated legacy solver. Okay, fine. I have not executed it, I have cancelled it. Okay. Then okay, all this is just for the sake of tests and all. So let us say you want to execute a particular test. So you get inside software heritage indexer and you want to execute all the tests. Then you can go like this, just write pytest, it will run all the test cases. Okay, and then shit man, I will have to install everything again, something broke. Okay, so the difference between there's a difference between tox and pytest. So basically you can see the difference that it all in when you use tox to execute all the tests, everything will be all the relevant libraries will be installed from PyPy. So basically software heritage has all its libraries on PyPy. You can see this is one such example. So basically if you use tox instead of pytest, all these libraries will be taken from SWH, this one. So basically from PyPy you will be having all your files taken, and then it will execute all the test. But in case you want to use the local code to as the your library and run the relevant test, then you will have to use pytest. Okay, and then all this much, and there's extra stuff. Okay, fine. Okay, so yeah, so this is software heritage for forge. So it is very much like GitHub. So for newcomers it's good if you go to easy hack section. You can search it from here as well. It is easy hack, just search here. Okay, so this is a list of easy hacks, that is good first issues when you come to software heritage. And what else? So let us say yes, so you can see some of my contributions. Okay, so I will look at this one. So basically so in software heritage we are using fabricator, so it has a somewhat different terminology from GitHub. So we call issues as tasks and pull request as diffs. So diffs and revisions. So basically when you commit diff, then it becomes a revision, otherwise it's called diff. So that's a pull request, and when the pull request gets accepted, it's called diff, sorry, revision. Yeah, so basically Zach reviewed my pull request, or diff you can say, and it is accepted, that's why it's closed. Okay, so there in the after like I made some changes, Zach reviewed it and he accepted it. Previously I was having something wrong, so Zach told me that tests are failing and all. We had some discussion, and after that I made the changes required, and it got merged. Okay, so basically to learn how to do changes and all, how to commit in software heritage, you will have to go to wiki software heritage, uh, gsoc, let us say we will go to the gsoc page. Okay, fine. Okay, this is actually okay. See, I'm changing the URL here to 2021. Okay, code review workflow. Okay. Oh, yeah. What is this? Oh, wow. We have updated. We got some updates. Oh, good. Great. Anyways, okay. So I will show you what you have to do. Basically, I will show you a demo of all that. See, so right now I'm inside software heritage indexer directory, and let us say I've made some. Uh, so wait, I will see if there is. Development for Jantef easy hack. Okay, fine. Anyway, so let us say you made some changes like get add blah blah blah. Okay, then you made get commit minus whatever you get commit message. Okay, and then let us say then you did, so you are basically, then you made some other commits as well. So like this you will go, and then uh, let us say that now you want to submit your first draft for a particular task. So in that case you will have to do arc diff origin master, origin slash master. Okay, in this case, so you will have to, you just put a enter, and it will ask you for some basically you will have to describe some of the description which I have mentioned, like here, that is fixes this. So basically it's I have been told that it's and it's, you should also do that, that try to put as much information as possible in the summary part. So you will be asked about a summary, so just put some information over there, and you should be able to go with it. Yeah, that's it. And then arc, when you are done, let us say, then you will be having some discussion and all, so you might be asked of making some changes. So when that happens, you will have to do arc diff update. Okay, like this, whatever the, this is d5 1 2 3, copy this one and put it here. Okay, so you have to put it here like this, you are good to go. Yeah, just put an enter here. So basically you see this head and tilde, so this means that you want just the last commit to be included. Let us say you want the last 3 commits, then you will put it like this. So basically this is equivalent to, like, head tilde is equivalent to having head tilde and 1. These two are equivalent, but when it comes to 2 you will have to mention it. So head 2 will mean head tilde 2 means consider last 2 commits. Okay, so anyways, get log, so these were last 2 commits. I updated crosswalk, and then I added myself as a contributor. That's it, and that should be good enough for you to start. Okay, and yeah, okay, here we go. So basically, no, wait, and why? Anyways, so I think you got the idea, and in case you want to run your own software heritage, so this will probably take a lot of RAM and all, and even consumes a lot of bandwidth and hard disk. So you should be able to run it. But before doing all that, consider the possibility of if it consuming a lot of space. So if you want to do that, then I have started it, like I have a software heritage setup running in my Google Cloud VM, and so for that it is quite simple actually, like install docker compose. So you will be able to install docker compose So basically, for first you will have to install a docker. So docker, for installing docker, search like this: docker install ubuntu. In my case I have ubuntu 20, but like you can search like for ubuntu 18 or anything. So this digital oceans article is quite good. You can go there and install it. Mm, yeah, so like follow these steps till this point and you should be good to go. And you, this part is optional, so like you don't have to put sudo docker and all every time. So that's it. And like for installing docker compose, like just search it, man, like quite easy. Docker compose install. Yeah, so linux curl blah blah blah. No, it doesn't matter, man. Okay, search this. I hope will be faster, kind of. Okay, anyways, man, like just follow some article on the internet and you should be able to do it. Get clone cd and get inside. Remember to get inside the docker folder inside so swh environment, and then start all the relevant docker containers by using docker compose up minus d minus days for detaching the containers with the current kernel. And then yeah, you are good to go. These will be the endpoints exposed. So if you are having the software heritage instances running on some Google Cloud or AWS Cloud, so in that case you will have to allow you will have to change some firewall rules to allow these ports. This is 5080 and like there are some other ports as well. You will have to allow those ports before getting the access to your software heritage instance. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much. I think that goodbye.